The business foundations of woodworking transformations. Establishing a woodworking business centered on small-scale wonders begins with understanding market trends, where basic decor evolves into treasures through innovative designs that blend functionality with aesthetics. Aspiring woodworkers must invest in essential tools like saws, sanders, and finishes, but the real business acumen comes from sourcing affordable, reclaimed wood to keep costs low while appealing to environmentally conscious buyers. This approach not only reduces overhead, but positions the brand as sustainable, a key differentiator in competitive markets like Etsy or local boutiques. Transformations in woodworking. Refining raw lumber into polished pieces. Mirror business growth, where initial prototypes test consumer feedback, leading to refined products that command higher prices. Entrepreneurs thrive by documenting their process via social media, turning woodworking sessions into engaging content that builds an audience and converts viewers into customers seeking unique home enhancements. Sourcing materials for profitable woodworking. Sourcing materials is a cornerstone of any successful woodworking business, especially when crafting small-scale wonders that elevate basic decor to high-demand status. Woodworkers must navigate suppliers for quality hardwoods and softwoods, balancing cost with durability to ensure pieces withstand daily use while maintaining an artisanal appeal. In business terms, bulk purchasing or partnering with local mills can slash expenses, freeing capital for marketing efforts that highlight the transformation from rough stock to refined treasures. This strategic sourcing not only streamlines production, but also infuses narratives of locality and sustainability into branding, attracting buyers who value ethical practices. As demand surges for personalized home items, savvy entrepreneurs stock versatile woods that allow for quick adaptations, turning potential inventory waste into diverse offerings that keep the business agile and responsive to seasonal trends. Marketing strategies for woodworking entrepreneurs. Marketing is pivotal in woodworking businesses, where compelling narratives about transforming basic decor into home treasures captivate audiences and boost demand. Digital platforms like Instagram and Pinterest serve as virtual showrooms, showcasing before and after stories that illustrate the woodworking magic without revealing specifics, focusing instead on the emotional uplift of personalized spaces. Entrepreneurs leverage SEO-optimized blogs to share tips on integrating these wonders into home styling, positioning themselves as experts and funneling traffic to e-commerce sites. Collaborations with interior designers or influencers amplify reach, turning one-off sales into partnerships that sustain growth. In this landscape, authenticity sells. Highlighting the hands-on woodworking process builds trust, encouraging buyers to invest in pieces that promise longevity and style, ultimately converting casual browsers into loyal patrons of the brand. Pricing and profitability in small-scale woodworking. Pricing small-scale wood wonders requires a delicate balance in woodworking businesses, factoring in material costs, labor time, and market value to ensure profitability while making transformations accessible. Woodworkers calculate margins by timing each step from cutting to assembly, adding value for the bespoke nature that turns basic concepts into coveted items. Competitive analysis reveals sweet spots, where eco-friendly finishes or custom options justify premiums, appealing to consumers willing to pay for sustainability and uniqueness. Business success hinges on bundling products or offering customization tiers, which increase average order values and foster upsell opportunities. As demand for home treasures rises, strategic pricing not only covers overhead like tools and shipping, but also funds innovation, allowing woodworkers to experiment with new techniques that keep their offerings fresh and their business thriving in a saturated market.